So simply come on to this website, choose any offer that you like, click on this button, copy this link, then follow me along step by step and I will show you exactly how you can make hundreds of dollars all in passive income. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $3,500 in free PayPal money instantly without doing much work. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to Zing.com. So guys, Zing.com is gonna be the platform that we're gonna be using for this particular method. Now, why did I choose Zing.com? Why not any other platform? Now guys, there are a couple of reasons for that. Now, firstly, because Zing offers the opportunities that other platforms just simply do not. So now over here, you can basically see that you can get paid for every single purchase that you make online on Zing.com. So now from over here, you can basically see how you can get started and how you can make money. Now, the number one way that you can make money with Zing is basically getting paid to shop. Zing pays you cashback rewards on everything you buy online and provides the current deals and coupon codes for the top brands and stores. Secondly, you can get paid to promote as well. Zing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand's deals or coupon page with others and your influence generates sales. Thirdly, you can get paid fast. Zing sends you money directly to your PayPal account, and as soon as you are paid, you can simply move on and do the next offers and make yourself a whole lot of money. So basically all that you need is simply a laptop, nothing more than that, and you will be well on your way to making quite a lot of money with Zing.com. Now, over here you can basically see a few of their top brands. So they have Walmart, they have giftcards.com, they have the Home Depot, Verizon Fios, Harry O. David, Hotels.com, Expedia, we even have BarkBox, Spanx, Groupon, Wine.com. There are just so many different options over here that you can actually use and you can actually make yourself a full-time income. Now, if I were to click on how it works, they will basically show me this again, but guys, make sure to memorize this so you guys don't run into any problems whatsoever later in your career. So now from over here, what I want you guys to do is simply click on join now, and then after that, simply sign up either with Facebook or by simply putting your first name, email address, password, and then after that, register for absolutely free. Now, once you do that, you will be all signed up and you can simply move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you've signed up successfully, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So now over here, you can basically see that you can get paid for cash for all the purchases that you make and the deals you promote online. So they have some of their promotion offers over here. Basically, you can get 10% off a case from Wine.com. You can actually get free shipping on $100+ orders from Blue Mercury and also get $3 cash back. If that's not a steal, I don't know what is. After that, you can basically see that you can earn up to 4% in cash rewards, 9% in cash rewards as well, 4% in cash rewards from Purple, $225 in cash rewards from Verizon, Viper cash rewards. Basically, there are just so many options over here that honestly, you will be amazed at what you can do using their particular service. Now, over here, we have some rewards over here that are going to pay you a lot more than others. So for example, we have this Blockify one. Now, Blockify is going to pay you up to $500 in cash rewards, all for absolutely free for just the fact that you are promoting Blockify on their platform. Now guys, I'm going to show you a plus feature of Blockify as well after a few seconds, but before that, I'm going to be basically showing you everything over here. So we even have Coinbase. Now guys, Coinbase is basically the world's biggest crypto exchange where you can basically exchange crypto and get yourself a lot of money in the form of crypto, basically trading and making money. Now, we have Blue Apron, we have Chewy, we have Costco, we have CClean. We have just so many different options that you can actually make money from. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply pick any offer from over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply pick this particular offer from Coinbase. Now I can simply click on promote to earn, and once I do that, I will see my affiliate link over here. Now I can go to any cryptocurrency trading forum and I can simply share this link and I will be able to make myself a lot of money. So guys, that is basically how it works in the world of affiliate links. You have to find yourself people that you can sell your product to. Now, right now, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply copy your affiliate link from Coinbase over here. And then after that, I want you to simply move on to step number three. Step number three. So in step number three, I want you to simply come on to google.com. Now from over here, I want you to simply type in crypto forums. Now, once you type in crypto forums over here, after that, simply press enter. Now, once you press enter, you will be able to see these pages come up. Now, I want you to simply open up the first link, and I want you to open up the second link as well, and also this bitcointalk.org forum as well. So once I open up these forums, they're gonna take a couple of seconds to load. Once they load up, I will show you exactly how they all work. So over here, you can basically see all the different forums over here. So what you can do is you can simply join any one of these forums, and then after that, you can basically share your affiliate link, and you can basically ask them hey, if you want to trade with the world's best crypto exchange, you can simply click on this link and sign up for absolutely free, and they will definitely do that. I mean, why not? Because this is such a great opportunity, and why would anybody want to skip on that? So considering that, now from over here, what I want you to do is that once you have done this, I want you to simply come back to using.com. And once you come back to using.com from over here, I want you to simply pick a pet offer. So I'm gonna simply type in pet over here. Once I type in pet, after that, click on the search button. So once you click on the search button, that is going to basically load up a lot of pet offers in front of you in just a few seconds. Now, once these offers get loaded up in front of you, now from over here, you can basically see a lot of different options. So make sure that your category is correct. Now, I'm going to simply choose animals and pet suppliers from over here. And now I can basically see a lot of different pet suppliers. So I'm going to choose pet care, and I'm going to click on promote to earn. Now I want you to simply copy your affiliate link, and once you have copied your affiliate link, I want you to simply come on to instagram.com, and I want you to simply type in over here dogs lover. Now once you type in dogs lover, wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, I want you to just simply get started. So wait for a couple of seconds, and now you will see a lot of different pages in front of you. So over here, we have this particular page, and all they do is simply post videos about dogs, and they get tremendous views. Now you can create yourself a similar page and upload dog videos by using websites like pexels.com. So pexels.com is a copyright free stock image website. Now from over here, you can simply come on over here and type in dogs. And once you type in dogs, you have hundreds and hundreds of dog videos over here, all waiting for you guys to basically use. So over here, we have all the videos. Now you can simply click on videos from the top left, and you will have a lot of videos come up. You can literally download these videos and then re-upload them on Instagram without worrying about any copyright issue whatsoever, and you will start to get a lot of followers. Again, the more followers you have, the more your affiliate link will get clicks, and you can simply paste your pet care affiliate link over here in the description, and you'll be good to go. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications or some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So basically, I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, that is basically how you can get started making money online without much equipment, or literally just through your phone. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.